If Beehiiv is acting up and you're seeing a status issue, don't worry, there are a few quick things you can do to fix it. In this video, I'll walk you through the best troubleshooting steps so you can get back into your dashboard and keep working without wasting time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step guides. First, check the Beehiiv status page. This is the fastest way to see whether the problem is on Beehiiv's side instead of yours. If there's a known outage or maintenance window, that may explain the issue right away. Next, refresh your Beehiiv dashboard. Sometimes the page just needs a simple reload to reconnect properly and pull in the latest data. If that doesn't work, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause loading errors, dashboard glitches, or status problems that look like Beehiiv is broken when it's really just your network. After that, log out of your Beehiiv account and log back in. This can clear out session issues and force a fresh connection to your account. If the problem still continues, try a different browser, like Chrome. Browser-specific issues are more common than people think, and switching browsers can quickly tell you whether the issue is tied to your current setup. Another important step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, stored files can become outdated or corrupted, and that can stop Beehiiv from loading correctly. Clearing the cache gives the site a clean start. You should also disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers. These can interfere with Beehiiv's scripts and prevent certain parts of the dashboard from working properly. If Beehiiv still isn't behaving normally, wait a few minutes and retry. If it's a temporary issue on their end, it may resolve itself after a short delay. Finally, check your email for Beehiiv alerts. Sometimes the platform will send important updates about outages, account issues, or maintenance directly to your inbox. So if you've gone through all of these steps, you've covered the most effective ways to fix a Beehiiv status issue. Start with the status page, work through your browser and connection settings, and then wait for any temporary problems to pass. I hope this video helped you solve it quickly. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.